What's going on, gaming fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best Razer gaming mice in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these mice, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section for us. The first Razer gaming mouse we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Razer Mamba Elite Wired Gaming Mouse. Coming up next in our number 4 spot, we've got the Razer Naga Trinity Wired Gaming Mouse. Next up at number 3, we've got the Razer Mamba Gears 5 Edition Wireless Gaming Mouse. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming up at number 2, we've got the Razer Viper Ultimate Wireless Gaming Mouse. Last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list, we've got the Razer Basilisk Ultimate Wireless Gaming Mouse. Alright, gaming fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which Razer mouse you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more tech product videos just like this one.